Indiana, you're killing me. I'm trying to do my homework. I gotta do my physics. Stop. What a face. I'm a little celebrity. My centerfold. I'm so funny. Bloopers. Bloopers. Stop giving me that look. I gotta do my homework. You're killing me. You're really killing me. You want a biscuit? No? Just go potty? No? You want a bath? Anything? Want to lie down? Why don't you watch TV? Watch TV. Where are you going? Don't you eat my homework. Indiana. What's wrong? Oh, you're milking it. Oh, I love you. Alright, I'll hurry up so we can go to bed, okay? Mwah.